What's up, everybody? I wanted to walk through a useful offensive whitewater canoe stroke, the forward stroke. The purpose of this video is to provide a breakdown of the skill for you to start or continue your own whitewater canoe journey. A strong forward stroke helps create and keep both speed and control. Understanding this stroke also aids in ferrying, boofs, and catching a great surf wave. One way to work on the forward stroke without any distractions is practicing on flat water. Flat water provides immediate feedback for the efficiency of your stroke. I will break down the technique of the forward stroke into 3 key parts: paddle position, stroke length, and boat lean. Paddle position in moving water helps determine the direction of your canoe. The blade angle in relation to the boat is important to maximize power and efficiency. The straighter the paddle is on all planes, the more efficient the stroke becomes. To create this on the onside, the T-grip hand should be extended across your body to the outside of the canoe, your shaft hand directly below, and just enough space for your blade to pass next to your boat cleanly. With this posture, extend the paddle as far towards the bow as possible, angling the paddle forward slightly and keeping the blade facing forward. Whenever possible, submerge the blade completely to receive the greatest transfer of power. Use your entire body, core, back, and arms to bring the canoe alongside your paddle. Now we'll add the stroke length. The end point of your stroke is key here. The end of your stroke should be right before the boat begins to turn, which is typically around your knees. Stroking past this point can be beneficial in a lot of situations. However, for this video, the focus is understanding how to efficiently paddle straight in flat water. Experiment with different exit points for your forward stroke. When you find yourself veering to one side, move the end point of the stroke closer to the bow. The last part is boat lean. Lean the boat towards the paddle side with your upper body weight being directed over the paddle side knee. This allows for deeper engagement with the forward stroke because the boat's edge is now being utilized. With the ideal balance achieved between paddle position, stroke length, and boat lean, this forward stroke posture is essentially balancing the boat's desire to turn in the lean, thus creating the straight line. Different degrees of boat lean are helpful in different situations with different boats. Understanding the basics of weight distribution and how it affects control is a useful takeaway to apply to any canoe you paddle. After becoming comfortable with onside forward strokes, try the offside. Becoming comfortable with both on and offside strokes will help provide maximum speed and control. For a vertical paddle on the offside, the shaft hand should be extended across your body to the outside of the canoe, T-grip hand directly above, and just enough space for your blade to pass next to your boat cleanly. Extend the paddle as far towards the bow as possible. This may be different than your onside. Submerge the blade and keep the blade facing forward as you take the stroke. Understanding the individual parts of a forward stroke and how varying degrees of each play off each other helps create a solid foundation that can assist with more complex moves. I hope this video is helpful in building your own foundation of skills to take you wherever you want to go. Thanks for watching.